Hi everyone, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays. Hope you're having a good time. This is going to be a bit of a weird video because it's got nothing to do with Herman or motorhoming at all. It is basically me in a conference somewhere in America. So where am I? I am actually in Dallas in the Hyatt Regency Hotel, and I can tell you it's a bit of a view from my room, and the room itself is quite large. Let's take you around and just show you around a few things, shall we? So that is the view. I don't know what these buildings are, to be quite honest, but at night they glow pretty well. Down here we have the railway, which is just underneath my windowsill basically. We're on the 7th floor, so we can hear these trains coming in and out, and at night they do hoot their horns for some reason. Now here's the room. Look how large that is. It's a lot bigger than any of the rooms I stay in my hotel in Britain. King size bed. We've got a very comfy chair there. Chaise lounge? Launch chaise? Is that what the thing is? I don't know. Quite a large television. My mess. Yeah, so ignore that. And we have the bathroom over here. And just through the door here, that is the main eating area down there. That's floor 2. We're on floor 7 at the moment. Now just through there, going all the way up, that's the tower. I don't know whether or not we were going in there. You have to pay to go in there. So yeah, pretty nice hotel, if you ask me. So Dallas is famous for a few things. The only two things I can really think of is the TV program and the assassination of JFK. So the other day, we're on a beautiful day, chilly day, but beautiful day. That's the trains. We headed out and took a look at the place, took a look at the town, wandered around, and went over to the monument and the shooting location, the grassy knoll, or where it all happened.
Dallas is most famous for, I suppose, the assassination of John F. Kennedy, right? So at the place where he was shot, and this is the memorial. It looks a bit weird if you ask me. That's like 4 sides of concrete by the looks of things. Bit of a weird piece of art, don't you think? And then it's just an open space. You'd imagine there'd be a statue on there. Weird, huh? Right next door to it is this amazing building. Look at that, it's like a castle. There you go. It's actually called the Old Red Museum of Dallas County. I wonder how old it really is though. Is it Disney-esque or what? And this is the building where he was shot from. Apparently that window there with a little, well, it's actually open just there. It's now a museum. The whole floor, I do believe, is dedicated to the assassination. Which is a kind of a weird thing, don't you think, having a museum about an assassination. So there's the building. We're in Dealy Plaza right now, and that's where the window's just there. Now, they've actually built a highway. See this cross? That's where Kennedy was shot. Well, that's where his car stopped. And this just over here is the grassy knoll with a fence. Let's get a closer look at that. All right, some piece of useless information. There's our fence, our grassy knoll, and that tall building there. In fact, this whole thing is our hotel. Okay, so this is not the original fence. Of course, it would probably fall down every couple of decades. There's a car park just behind it, just there. Okay, so I got that wrong with the X's. So there's one just there, and there's one in the glint of the sun here, just there. There's about 50 yards apart. They represent the first and the last shots being taken, and they're traveling like, I don't know, 8 to 10 miles an hour. Then that's a quick load, right? Apparently he was shot with a bolt action rifle, which is takes a while to load. Conspiracy theories and that kind of thing. And when I mean first and last shot, there apparently was 4 shots. It was killed by 4 shots from all different angles. Very weird, huh? I do find it weird that they're just crosses on the tarmac. I think they would probably diverted the road around the whole place and this whole area and have a monument. Anyway, that's just me.
I've only just figured this out days after where I'd filmed all that. But that there is the building where he was shot from. So that's Dealy Plaza just there. And then just there is that strange building, the old castle, old chateau kind of building. So what I'm not going to do is show you the conference itself. It's just the experience of being a tourist in Dallas and that kind of thing. But what I will show you is the events that we had. Yesterday we all went down to Eddie Dean's ranch, which is in downtown Dallas. It is basically, it's a huge pub. It's all themed of cowboys and all that kind of thing. They've got line dancing, they've got the Buckaroo Ball thing, and of course food and beer. Really had a good time there, really good fun. And I tried a bit of dancing. We haven't got any of that on video, unfortunately. So tonight we are going bowling, and it's just going to be good fun. I think there's going to be quite a few of us there. We've got, I think it said 6 lanes all hired out, so that's going to be great fun, I think. Okay, so it's a bit of a weird video, maybe nothing to do with Herman or motorhoming. So apologies if you've just watched all that and you hated the whole thing because it's got nothing to do with motorhomes. But if you liked it, do give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see some stuff about motorhomings and our trips in Herman around Europe, then hit that subscribe and that notification symbol beside it, and then you'll get an email every time I upload a video. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, adios everybody. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.